Welcome back. Now, special mention for ChatGPT is that you can interact with any of the content using audio. When you're using the mobile device, that interaction is going to be in real time and conversational. However, you can do the same thing from the desktop. For example, we can listen to one entire answer in audio from this element. If you click on this button, you'll see that there is a read aloud element, just as there is a copy and paste element here at the bottom of every conversation. We can click on the read aloud. I've created the article, 7 Ways to Create Effective Video Tutorials, with a detailed breakdown of each step. If you need any adjustments, such as adding more details or changing the style, let me know. So as you can see, every part of the document where you have audio, you can interact with ChatGPT, and you can allow ChatGPT to narrate to you. Now, currently, the capability does not exist within ChatGPT to narrate by desktop, but you can narrate using your mobile device. Also within ChatGPT, special mention is that you can extend the functionality of ChatGPT using what are called GPTs, and you can search for the kind of element that you want. For example, if you want to search for a way to use ChatGPT to create a mind map, you can go to a GPT and create mind map, and you can look for an extension of ChatGPT to help you and assist you in creating the mind map. So having GPTs is another element of ChatGPT which extends the functionality that bears special mention. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.